Ever wondered how your body naturally eases discomfort? Today we delve into the fascinating biochemistry of natural painkillers. Firstly, we have exercise. When you move your body, it releases endorphins and enkephalins, your body's very own opioids. By binding to opioid receptors in the brain, these little molecules lessen the perception of pain and improve your mood. Then, we have omega-3 fatty acids. Found in foods like fatty fish, these vital nutrients contribute to the synthesis of endocannabinoids. These act on the endocannabinoid system, where they modulate pain perception and promote a sense of well-being. Next, let's follow the sunlit path to serotonin. Sunlight exposure influences the synthesis of serotonin from tryptophan. This neurotransmitter plays a key role in mood regulation, with increased sunlight exposure helping maintain optimal serotonin levels for a positive emotional state. Positive social interactions stimulate the release of another molecule, oxytocin, often known as the love or bonding hormone. Oxytocin has pain-modulating effects and promotes social bonding, fostering a sense of connection and well-being. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and yoga, trigger the release of endorphins and enkephalins. By focusing on deep breathing and maintaining a moment-to-moment awareness, you stimulate these endogenous opioids and regulate neurotransmitters for a calming effect on the nervous system. Massage and acupuncture provide a tactile route to pain relief. Pressure on the skin during massage and the insertion of acupuncture needles activate sensory nerve fibers, leading to the release of endorphins. This localized effect helps reduce pain and induce relaxation. Aromatherapy takes a sensory approach, using the power of scent to influence neural pathways. Odor molecules interact with olfactory receptors, sending signals to the limbic system and modulating serotonin and norepinephrine levels for emotional well-being and pain modulation. Finally, laughter. It's not just good for the soul, it's great for pain relief too. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, activating brain regions associated with reward and pleasure. This endorphin release acts as a natural analgesic, reducing the perception of pain. In conclusion, remember that your body has its own orchestra of pain relief mechanisms. From exercise-induced endorphins to serotonin synthesis in sunlight, from oxytocin released by social bonds to neurotransmitters triggered by mindfulness practices, each is a chapter in your body's biochemical responses. Massage, aromatherapy, and laughter add layers to this intricate composition. As you navigate your journey to well-being, remember these processes and how they orchestrate your body's innate ability to alleviate discomfort.